Undercover. From sibling to 1.55 m Scaraglans Sienna. Undercover was bred out of a half-sister of the international 1.55 m level competing show jumper Scaraglans Sienna, with whom Paul Shea won in 150 class in Wellington in 2015. He is sired by the 8-year-old stallion Lambada Shake AG, who reveals impressive skills on 1.45 m level under the saddle of Giampiero Garofalo. He passes on significant jumping talent to his offspring, which makes Lambada Shake AG promising for both sport and breeding. In the second generation, Undercover carries the valuable genes of the progenitor of Grand Prix show jumpers Tangelo van der Zuuthoeve.